father is a very big believer in fate and destiny. So he said it verbatim, it is written. It is written. So he showed me his palm and he said it is written. And he gave me also a piece of advice. He said, you know what? It is written sa buhay. Anong nasa balat mo, hindi mo yan matatakasan. So, you just pray to God that He will not give you so much of a hard experience in life. I said yes.
Hi, Kim.
Asa ka ni Grace, bebe, yung bag na, saan yung bag? Akin na nga, akin.
So, hi, ako as usual, sabik na sabik ang lahat sa ulat tungkol kay Tatay Digong. How is he doing today? How is your visit today?
He was good today. So today, it was like usual. I got him snacks first. I arrived a few minutes before he arrived. I got him like a selection of snacks and beverages to choose from again. And as usual, he went for the Coke, and today he went for the cookie pancake. And as we started talking, first, of course, nangamusta siya sa family. To me, to my mom, and to my siblings. Ganon. So I told them that we're all doing well. We miss you, of course, but we're doing well. And then I threw the question back, okay, how about you? How are you? He says he's fine, and he reassures me that everything is okay because ever since he's had a very stoic and accepting mentality towards everything that is happening. He said na, because my father is a very big believer in fate and destiny. So he said it verbatim, it is written. It is written. So he showed me his palm and he said it is written. And he gave me also a piece of advice. He said, you know what? It is written sa buhay. Anong nasa balat mo, hindi mo yan matatakasan. So you just pray to God that He will not give you so much of a hard experience in life. I said yes. Ganon. And ayun, he was just munching on some snacks, and he really likes the pancake ba yun. Okay. So I thought he was hungry. Like I thought he was, akala ko hindi pa siya nakakain. So parang I was worried. I said, did you eat today? Sabi niya yes naman. He had chicken and rice today. So he's really good. He's fine. And for the most part, he was asking about my siblings and his grandchildren. Mira, yung baby girl namin. And he has a grandchild kasi kay Kuya Baste na sobrang kamukha niya. So, ayun, yun yung palagi niya mention si Soling, saan si Soling. And then, parang a different kind of like beams on his face pag pinag-uusapan si Soling kasi proud na proud siya na kamukha niya yung bata. So, ayun, he was happy to hear all of that today, and he was happy to see me. And anong araw ba ngayon? It's
Tuesday.
So he asked me if he would see me again tomorrow. I said, of course. And ayun, that's pretty much it.
Any chance for Mira and Soling to be able to visit?
Of course, yeah. Children are allowed in the detention unit, but of course we have to look at their schedules first because they're children, they are in school, and we don't want them left behind in school.
Wala naman kayo napag-usapan ng current affairs sa Philippines?
Hindi, wala eh. I just told him na I forgot kung anong rank yun, top 1 to 3, something ang Davao City. Still one of the safest places.
Second,
yeah, in Southeast Asia. So he was very happy to hear that, and he was very proud of Vice Mayor Sebastian Torre. I told him na, oh, you know, si Kuya Baste, he is honoring your work and legacy. So he was smiling from ear to ear when he heard that.
CVP, when do we expect a visit po?
Si VP, I don't know pa. I just know that for this month, ano ba ngayon? I'm lost. It's August. I know that we're still arranging all the rotation of visits since it's very hard to, you know, arrange everything since madami kami sa family. So, I will still ask them pa rin today.
Okay. Yeah. May mga first-timers ba kasi she's on the rush again. From the New Yorkers, the first-timers. Nasaan na yung asawa mo? Sino mga first-timers? Go. Monica and Martina. Picture. Nasaan ang picture?
Dito.
May camera.
Wait, first time daw siya.
Oh,
Three.
konti lang naman tayo. We can all have our turn. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Smile! Okay. Sa'yo.
Ito ma'am, 30. Kanila to.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Okay. Husband and wife from New York. Camera mo.
Sa V, ka na.
Camera.
Dito pa sa Mangalit ka na.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Dubai.
Pwede pa kung ano na.
Nawala na si Dubai. Ikaw. From?
Kaya tag na sa kuha ni Manakbay.
Switzerland, yeah.
Go.
Switzerland. Hindi, wala ka. 1, 2,
Bibiling ko sana yan.
okay.
Alam ma'am, pili naka-first timer ma'am. Uy,
Ano na kayo? Pera kaya?
Okay, kaya.
Pang-design dito. Kasi siya yung ano, yan yung... yan yung ano na yung painting. Pero parang yung matangkad yung
nag-improve na yung lighting ko.
Pila na rito. Pila.
Yan.
Wala pa akong pera sa exit.
Dapat kayo aminan?
Sampay. Jordan.
Update ni...
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Next. Sino next? Camera mo.
First time na rin yun.
Okay na sir. Kaya ba ito nga videohan ang katong nag-payment sa akin? Dito. Diyan sa ano mo? Dito apat na.
First timer.
Kasi galit pa naman yun sa akin.
Sino pa? Okay na ba?
Sa mga picture sa
Okay na?
Ate Gidi.
Pasok. Tinatanong ko nga kung sino eh, wala pa. Attorney pa, ano dito? Sige. Si Pinoy in Holland. Ito na. Ito na. Si Pinoy in Holland. Si Pinoy in Holland. Tapos, 1, 2, 3, go. Ikaw. Ikaw. Sige, ting. Okay, wala ka ng picture. Ikaw, Gina.
Are you queuing? Okay. Queue from this side.
Vine.
Yes, sir.
Queue from this side.
It's up to you.
Picture lang.
Bagong gawa. Sayang. Yeah, I don't want you to go to Yeah, udah deh, ada yang
Iya. Iya.
Okay. Oh.
Let's go that side.
Go.
Kapit. The queue of that side. That side.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's